Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
So what's up, guys? We're back. It's Will and Reyes behind the camera. Today we're doing my flip kit. We already did the control arms. Well, I did them. I just never recorded it because I did it at my house. So we're just gonna do a flip kit, like was it 6 to 7, right? Yeah. So it's gonna be a 6 to 7. We're gonna take off that inch block, cut the bump stop, get the flip kit installed, and we'll see if it goes first try with no problems. Alright, so guys, we didn't really record it because we were too busy working on it. It's obviously nighttime now. There's a chupacabra in the back. We got the diff. It looks a little crooked, not gonna lie, but it'll be good. It'll be fine. So all we got Reyes over there on the other side doing it. So what we had to do is get new U-bolts and new caps for the ball joint, or not the ball joint, the U-joint for the drive shaft, because we disconnected the drive shaft and it the caps came off and those little pins, fucking, they're all gone. So we had to go to O'Reilly's, get that. Got some U-joints because we got longer ones. And then we're just having a little bit of trouble with the plate down there, right there. Just getting it bolted up and lined up. So now all we gotta do is just bolt up, crank down those bolts that hold it up, put on the shocks, and then put the rims on and watch the transformation. Alright guys, we just got done, or I just got done. We fucked it up. We put one side, so the one side of the diff was sitting like more forward and the other side was like, we got the diff. It looks a little crooked, not gonna lie, but it'll be good. It'll be like sideways. I would have been drifting if I drove it. But we fixed it real quick. And we got it all done, so here you go.
Esta para dedicar.
Todo a su tiempo se fue dando todo lo que hemos logrado. Muchos años han pasado.
What's up, guys? You just okay. All right, so you guys just seen a little montage of the.
No, start over.
Hi. So you guys just seen the montage of the truck. It came out great. We did color match the bumper, which, by the way, go follow Reyes' TikTok down below. But back to the flip kit. It wasn't too hard to install. It wasn't too bad of a process. Little hiccups, but you're always gonna get that. I love the drop right now. It rides pretty good for what it is. The shocks are good. It does need a C-notch though, so you guys will be seeing that in a future video. But for now, it looks good. More to come, obviously. It does.
Today, Junior.
Not much to say.
What was I supposed to say? So guys, we will be at Las Vegas Showdown on October 1st. We'll be leaving from Tucson Thursday morning. So we'll be there like around like 10, 1 in the afternoon. So we'll be out there. And I think that's the only event we have planned for now. Hopefully next year we do go to more. But for now we'll be at Las Vegas Showdown, and whatever other events will come after that.